Let's see what's inside the Landlord Hotline.net membership. As a landlord, what's your biggest challenge? Tenant screening, lease agreements, handling evictions. I'll show you some of the tools and resources. Let's start with forms and templates. Customizable legal documents and forms are prepared by an attorney specializing in landlord-tenant law. Here we have DIY eviction templates, lease terminations, lease addendums, and over 350 additional forms and templates. Next, I'll show you the tools under resources. We have calculator tools to help determine legal deadlines and generate instructions for common scenarios like month-to-month termination or non-payment of rent. Another valuable resource are the in-depth training videos produced by our landlord attorney on topics like fair housing laws, cash for keys, and how to avoid costly security deposit errors. Under Community, we have the attorney-moderated forum. Engage with other landlords and get advice, all under the guidance of an experienced landlord attorney. Stay updated on new laws and landlord-related topics, all explained by an attorney. See the most recent articles about Florida's new flood disclosure law, Supreme Court decision on the eviction moratorium, how to handle tenant property left behind. Join now and get instant access to expert legal insight and essential resources for Florida landlords.